is there anything that you think needs to be reformed? Do you think that the public awareness that has come about as a result of the Privy Council's decision is enough, or do you think that there, because you mentioned a mindset shift and you mentioned the recording now, which are two really huge things,
Yeah.
not to be discounted at all. They're two
No,
really
very good.
very
Yeah.
important things. Is there anything else that comes to mind that you think needs to happen?
Well, for me, and I've had persons who look at me and just do this, hold their head, right? But for me, I believe that anybody in custody at any stage ought to have the benefit of representation by counsel. You would know that that was also something very heavily discussed by the Privy Council.
Right.
The fact that in the case for which he was convicted, he was unrepresented. And currently in our jurisdiction, you are only assigned counsel for matters in the Supreme Court once at that stage or in the Court of Appeal. So the whole police interrogation stage, if you can find
The
that
horse
money
is
or if
to
you're on your own. And I think it's important for representation to begin there because that is the foundation of every case if it gets to the point of charges and arraignment. What happens in the police station is very crucial. And if this young man was represented or maybe had advice, I mean, I know myself about going into situations and saying, listen, if they tell you they're not calling me, then you put your finger on your lip. I don't care what happens in here. Don't say a word. Because it alleviates charges based only on convictions.